What's going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a product that says it's going to reduce your watering up to 50%. So let's go take a look at what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so the product I'm going to be using today is Hydretain. And Hydretain is supposed to help out with soil moisture. And what it does is it's going to grab the humidity from the air, turn it into water droplets, which is going to make you water less. So I really want to test this out on my lawn, especially because I live in Southern California and we get no rain at all throughout the summer. So I feel like this is going to be a really good test for out here. Alright, so I'm going to go show you a couple areas that look like to have some heat stress. We're going to spray it, and then we're going to come back in a few days and just to kind of give you a quick update on the lawn. So let's go look at the lawn right now. Alright guys, so here's one section of the lawn that has a little bit of heat stress, and you can see it's right here and a little bit over there and also over here. So this is because the temperatures have been really high lately. This past weekend was like in the hundreds, about 106 I believe, a couple days. So hopefully this is going to help out with the lawn over here. Let's go take a look on the other side that has some heat stress as well. So this side is not too bad, but it does have some areas. For example, right here, right there, that area didn't have some heat stress. So I feel like this it's going to be a good test for it because it's going to be in the mid 90s this week. All right, guys, so let's get spraying and see how it works. All right, guys, so using the product is pretty simple. Just hook up your water hose to this end, tighten it up, and then you're going to turn your water on, and then you hit the nozzle to on, and then just spray your lawn. They do sell this product in granular form if you prefer that, but it's up to you. All right, guys, so let's go get spraying. Alright guys, so I'm done spraying. Next, what we're going to do is water it in, and I'm going to come back in a few days and we're going to see if it looks any different. Alright, so let me water it in right now. Alright guys, so I finished watering everything in. So what I'm going to do to really test this product, it says it can reduce the watering up to 50%. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go change my watering time to half of what it is right now, and we're going to see how it does. Alright, and I'm going to come back in a few days and then we're going to see how it looks. Alright guys, so here's my lawn after about 6 days after I applied Hydretain, and so far it doesn't seem to be helping out too much for me. If you guys remember, I had a heat stress area right here, but now it's starting to go more over here as well. So it could be because I cut my sprinkler time in half, because I really want to test the product out to see if it was going to really cut my watering time by half or not. As you can see, it didn't, because now I'm getting more areas over here. They're struggling right here, like I said, and that area back here is still struggling. So I'm going to go ahead and put my timer back up. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it back to where I used to have it or just pick up a few minutes only. But I'm going to go ahead and change the timer out, and then to see if that improves anything, or if it's still going to stay the same, or if it'll make things worse. Now the bottle does say I can use it once every 3 months or as needed. So I might reapply the product to see if that helps out. But so far it doesn't seem to be helping out. But that could be because where I'm located at, we get no rain whatsoever throughout the summer. and it's in the mid 90s to the hundreds. So I think it really depends on your type of climate that you live in. So if you live more in like a humid area, that might help, because where I live at is really dry heat. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it pretty much for today's video. And like I said, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm probably gonna respray everything and up the watering time just a little bit, and I'll see how it does in about another week or so. I'll post another video, see if anything improved or if anything got worse. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.